Hi all. See this, for this particular problem, we need to find out the coefficient of x to the power 18 in the given expansion, okay? Now, what we are looking for, we have to find or apply the binomial coefficient. Now, see that we are having the three terms, but we can manipulate this function in a little bit. So, let's do that, okay? So, what is given? It says that we are giving that 1 plus x multiplied by 1 minus x whole to the power 9, and it is multiplied by 1 plus x squared whole to the power 9. So now you can see this is 10 actually. I just write it. So this is obviously 10. Now see that there are little bit similarities there. So you can say that it's equal to 1 plus x multiplied by 1 minus x. So this is one pair. And the remaining we just take together. So 1 minus x multiplied by 1 plus x squared whole to the power 9. Now this gives me that 1 minus x squared, and here we have 1 minus x cube whole to the power 9. That's it. Now, what is the term 1 minus x whole cube, right? That easily can be expressed in the binomial series, right? So let's apply the binomial series to expand this term, right? So we'll go ahead and say that 1 minus x squared summation of r is equal to 0 to n NCR minus 1 whole to the power r into x to the power 3r. That's the expansion. So if I multiply now by 1, we can say that summation r is equal to 0 to 9 in, 9cr minus 1 whole to the power r x to the power 3r minus summation of r is equal to 0 to 9cr minus 1 whole to the power r into x to the power 3r plus 2. Okay, we just multiply 1, then we multiplied x squared. Okay, that's it. Now we are looking to find out the values of x to the power 18, the coefficient of x to the power 18. That means the coefficient of x to the power 18 means that x to the power 3r will be 18 and x to the power 3r plus 2 will be 18. So that's the two cases. So let's find out the possibilities, right? So first we take that 3r is equal to 18. That's imply that r is equal to 6. So that's one case. Now if I consider that 3r plus 2 is equal to 18, that's imply that r is equal to 16 by 3, and which is not an integer, right? Now, as this is not an integer, so obviously from this series, right, we are not getting that x to the power 18 term. So this series doesn't have x to the power 18 term. And thus, this series, first series, having x to the power 18 term for r is equal to 6. So therefore, we can easily say that the coefficient of x to the power 18 will be equal to 9c6 multiplied by 1 minus r whole to the power 6 and x to the power 18. Now we need to calculate 9c6. Now if I want to calculate the 9c6, it will be factorial 9 divided by factorial 6 and factorial 3. That gives me that 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 into factorial 6 divided by 6. Now if I calculate, the final value gives me that this is 2, 3, and 4. So 12 and 7, 84. So that's why the coefficient of x to the power 18 in this case are actually plus 84. And that's why option B is the correct answer. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.